Hi guys, so today I wanted to talk to you about how Booksy can help you move to mobile visits and mobile appointments. So first things first, let's have a look at adding questions to clients, which you can put on your services so that when they book in a service, they are given the choice to respond to some questions. So now to set this up, if we go to More, Business Profile, Services, and then find a service that you'd like to put some questions on. So let's go with this cut and color service here. If we open up advanced options, and then in the middle here, we can see we have questions to clients. So if I click in here, I can add in up to 3 questions. So this can be really handy for getting information out of your clients before they arrive to the appointment. So for instance, have you had a cough/cold in the last 7 days? And then that way, when the client books in, a question screen will pop up first and they can enter in the answers there. As you can imagine, this is really useful during these times. So with that in mind as well, what you might want to do is obviously assess the answers to the questions before you decide whether or not that person should come in for a booking. So to do that, what you probably want to do is turn off manual bookings, automatic bookings, sorry, and make them manual. So to do this, if you go to settings in the app and then booking settings, and then you see here this top switch says bookings are automatically confirmed. So this means if someone's trying to book in, it will automatically pop into the diary. Now, obviously, with what's going on in the current situation, you might want to have this turned off so that you can assess whether or not clients should be entering the shop. And in general, anyway, this might be something that you would find useful for your business. So if I turn that off and then press save, what will happen is anytime someone goes to book in with me, they will need to I will need to basically assess whether or not they can come into the shop, and then I can accept that booking. They will come up in your notifications section in the top right corner on the appointment screen, and then you have the option to assess whether or not you're going to let that client come in for their appointment. Something else you may find useful is adding extra padding time to your services. So with that, that essentially creates a bit of space in between appointments so that you have extra time to do things like wipe down surfaces, clean any tools that you need to, and just really disinfect your shop. So to do that, if we go to business profile again, and then back into services, let's select this cut and dry service. And what we can do is if we go to advanced options, you'll see here in the bottom left corner, just above the save button, we have padding time. So what I can do is I can add padding time before, after, or before and after the service. But for now, I'm just going to leave it as after, and I can add in, let's say, 5 minutes, and then I press save. So what that will do is now anytime someone books in for this cut and dry service, it will give me an extra 5 minutes at the end when no one can book in, so that I can then clean down my shop, clean down any surfaces that I need to, and really make sure that the shop is safe and comfortable for your clients. So now, obviously, if you have any further questions on what Booksy can do to help you in this time, or in general, please do feel free to get in touch with our help chat and give us a call on 01323 7000057.